Ti Jampa a bit member say MPP abai no ni papa ba akonkora nim.
Any possible.
Any possible. Into obi asomo man no.
Welcome to the Political Rant with me, the voice right here on Ghana 7 TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. NDC4 Chairman IAA Honorable Aseidu Nketia, aka General Mosquito, has been speaking. He granted a granting interview Bima Accra FM. Na mo amunim sa Accra FM de jama. Wa onim NDC platform NDC4 to me ko hopa mu use pa for propaganda ni adan sensem no. Na general ko pie wo ho na minim question kwa journalist no bisa no. But in the response no, you can guess that this is what general is talking about. And see, general and our general response, you will realize say about corruption. Now you realize where say NDC for moving election we know. And I say even when they were in opposition, there was this narrative they created, say Akufo-Addo any appointees the Omuwiaska, they were engaging in corruption and corruption related activities all over and Omuwiaska bebre and a friend who said mami na our sanitation ministry is like that and now was Kabebre bia shining pass and all those things. So a narrative and this is for the winning election. And on the 8th, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia buy because say we lose the election into our friend or Mampini, your current to Mampini John Dramani Mahama. I congratulate Nupena Mahama buy because say inaugurated committee be a oral committee. Oral committee no kuje to kaun friend say Dome Level Martin Pebu any some other two people be one Bakuya journalist and one other person. Now muna move for me any Kofi Boache. Omuna omuye oral committee no so muna omukotina se na omu be office bakuma omu vice president ni former office say oho na ombe na omu ye juma be na ye oho na omu di a ton of papers by say we documents and I say evidence o ma gather banko for me we are scanning na maniama no ya na ye say national security led by Richard Jakpa ye na ye ni say oye obi a or questionable reputation esan say owo na owo military mu na oka army ni hu na ye pamono so ya pamono say oye adipa da bi ade boni nko na oye ye na ntina ye pamono wo military ni mu say onye nipa oye discipline any some na oji loan bi so wo military mu a wentua eni nyina eka ni record room echire so na sa Richard Jakpa we ya kogiska wa ban ho Mahama ban ni first coming ho say Okwako to a friend who say we ambulances ma on mine. Oko ye no or the 207 Mercedes Benz nearby. Na sad Mercedes Benz na the buy en so no. E na yenim say yentimi afanye ambulance no nti e sika say ye kwa. Na ye de ni court sa na na court passing a ruling.
Ebinom so anyeska. Ebi sabio anyeska. Na mufiri abai mu na ye the same brush mu se mu nyina mo yakromfo na de watimi afa kwa moni so anya sika no ono ko ni krom a ye so no soro watimi anya sika wa ye sei wa we mamba opposition no kura no onya na konma sika di onya bibia na wa odi belt abo yam se o so mo man no wamfa aban bibia waye wadwuma kroje awie na da mu nyina mu be free aban mu no ne aka mu abom se mu nyina mu ya akrofo a ugidi se next time unya opportunity ba aban mu a na obu wia de a wo betre ho aka se me de me nwia bi
Obewia bi
me
wia o
ya be ka se wo wia ya be ka se wo akrofo inti se si ano Munyanumu Furiatanum any woman ede ada di pefe a manfo ahu se we de waye we de ahu sika se woni nimpass ne ade enti jampa ebetimi amba se MPP aban no ni papa ba akonkora nim
Any possible.
Any possible. Into obi asom man no. Ewo ne kwan so. Into ka omu nyina bom se omu nyina na awia sika. Next time if so now omoba the one I mean so bad by my own yes can be because we are the same brass and to fight corruption no eto da bia nema bi wo ha se ohun se bisepa eni kunna haban etase no banyansafo so enti grassroots wo ho kwai
omugiri se
Jakpa say osate o tua sika no ma buy na ntiyenja no right but your mama buy na yakop appoint Jakpa we so nkotina national security. Now let's go back to what chairman is saying. Chairman is saying he disagrees with what John Mahama is doing. And when chairman posture, well, you realize say bia semwe no o ka kire John Mahama e wo closet mu say ade a we no unya ni ye enye the writing na ba John Mahama ante. And they say John Mahama anti chairman ni kasa e wo private mu no e na o pie bab monti the be kind. Or see sa approach John Mahama use here or the national security tata kanuforia tadi tata NS ade sinin. Or see the fact say uti say obi wi ska no anche say nipa na wi ska. And now osanka say enti Mahama pese o kire say MPP ni mu nyina no obi a we MPP mu nyina no eye corrupt ana. O say entimi be musa say obi a we MPP mu no o mu nyina ye corrupt. And so mu nyina nye corrupt say na say wo deal and say wo approach issue no say wo hwe yi na wanko man say nkofo mu wiaska nkofo mu wiaska no so on be feel say they are receiving the same treatment. And I say uba bonti I say na like NDC now because say oh MPP for da mo aban mu no omo wiaska bebre ubekasa sema obi a wan wiaska na o kiri ni kom and I say oye juma ni ye ma oman no onu kwa na bembebu say sika no ma family san kebi but where I ka o media no so and I say where your political opponents in kade omu kade I say on person fa yin na to basket bakumu e pa no sa dia next am e ba no me say me wia na say me wia mpo e be ka say me wia ntim and dey me wia sana general Aseidu kitaka eti o say enye the best na o ti asem no so ya ba ho say general Aseidu Nketia number 1 aside the fact say or distancing him from adia John Mahama ye no number 2 nso ni say or tries to protect current appointees of John Mahama ube kaya John Mahama appointee General Mosquito Wianiba ediko share as a snit and as one of the bodies. And he said some of his family members, they have been appointed by John Dramani Mahama to serve in various capacities. And on him say, Adia Sisana MPP Bab Abaimwa. Sa Adia John Mahama ye ne a ochisi kesi nkrofo. MPP force on bet your muka. Onusu ni baba safa. Ni ba Aseidu Kitiaba no obesafa. And to protect his son no. Catch mama say mama ade we no people before bet your car enye you enti trasu stop it don't do it mama antie enti wa babo tabeka enti let's see how it unfolds. General Mosquito say himself person obey president of the Republic of Ghana enti let's see as the things progress, as we get more updates. Ghana and Sem TV GH is where you will get the latest news. So this has been the political round with me, the voice, right here on Ghana and Sem TV GH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on notification. Today is also the birthday of our boss, Ajwa. So happy birthday to you, boss. Whatever you are doing, God bless you and prosper you in all your good endeavors. Happy birthday once again from all of us, the team here at Ghana and Sem TV GH. Bye-bye.